Hi, this is Galit Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about heart disease and how you can help manage it, treat it, and prevent it with nutrition and supplements. Well, heart or cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the developed countries, of which atherosclerosis is the most common type of heart disease. Heart disease is responsible for a fourth of all deaths, with 17.3 million global deaths every year. And this is expected to rise by over 26% by the year 2030. Prevention of heart disease through lifestyle interventions is possible and recommended. Diet plays a crucial role in protecting your heart from risk factors affecting heart health, such as blood pressure, inflammation, and high triglyceride levels. Now let's talk about the dietary and lifestyle changes and the supplements to help you improve your heart health. Number one, dietary patterns. Since atherosclerosis is an inflammatory disease that contributes to significant incidence and mortality of heart disease, reducing inflammation is crucial in preventing heart disease, and this is proven to be modifiable by nutrition. Reducing unhealthy food consumption to a minimum can prevent many primary and secondary heart health issues. Although supplementation with specific nutrients can be helpful, it will not replace the benefits of a healthy diet. Healthy dietary guidelines include consuming a variety of fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, with a few, if any, animal products of all types, while also avoiding processed foods, sweetened foods and beverages, and refined grains as much as you can. According to a study led by the Johns Hopkins Center for Prevention of Heart Disease, the Mediterranean and vegetarian diets, both rich in plant-based foods, are most beneficial to heart health. Some foods recognized to be most beneficial for heart health include red apples, avocados, olive oil, olives of course, walnuts, beans, green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, soybean products, including tofu. These foods are high in vitamins and minerals and polyphenols and phytochemicals, omega-3 fatty acids, some of them, lycopene in tomatoes, unsaturated fats, and antioxidants, which all play a crucial role in heart health due to their ability to prevent oxidative stress, which places stress on the heart, on the whole cardiovascular system. Higher intake of fruits and vegetables has been inversely associated with heart disease risk. Limiting salt and alcohol consumption is also recommended. In a study on the association between alcohol consumption and heart disease, the researchers found less alcohol consumption was associated with lower risk for heart-related mortality. Now today, most popular diets, including the ketogenic diet, the paleo diet, these are harmful to heart health and to brain health, and they do not support vascular health as well. I will talk about this in a separate video, but it's important to know that if you are consuming such a diet, they may seem very, very good in the beginning, help you lose weight, but they are not any good in the long term for heart health if you are doing them according to the guidelines that today are recommended. Now, you also want to maintain a healthy weight. Losing weight leads to improvements in insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. A healthy diet together with regular exercise is best for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity. Excess energy intake and a sedentary lifestyle contribute to pro-inflammatory mediator secretion, especially from visceral fat, from belly fat, leading to inflammation. So if you need to lose weight, I strongly recommend joining the Guerrilla Diet 12-week online health and weight loss program. It's proven to the right way to lose weight and keeping it off for good in a healthy way for you. As I mentioned, you also want to engage in regular physical activity. According to a study on physical activity and heart disease risk, overweight and obese people have a higher 10-year cardiovascular disease risk than those of average weight. Obesity increases cholesterol levels, causing blood pressure to raise. They raise the risk of having a heart attack. as well. Obesity also increases inflammation all over the body and may lead to diabetes as well. According to the American Heart Health Association, the AMA, people with diabetes are 2 to 4 times more likely to suffer from heart disease. Exercise helps keep weight under control and reduces stress levels, which burden the heart by releasing stress hormones. Now, regular physical activity also reduces inflammation and helps ensure optimal blood flow, which keeps blood pressure at healthy levels and arteries functioning properly. The best kinds of exercise for boosting heart health, including aerobic endurance exercises, including walking, running, yoga, swimming. These are excellent. You can incorporate these into your day-to-day schedule. Even 15 minutes a day, if you do it daily, is better than nothing. You also want to stop smoking. Smoking cigarettes has long been associated with all types of heart disease. Various studies have demonstrated the adverse effects of smoking on our heart, including heart failure, sudden cardiac arrest, stroke, and a heart attack. Smoking also leads to plaque formation in the blood vessels, which may clot and block blood flow, which is meant to carry oxygen and all the nutrients and blood to the heart muscles. Therefore, certain chemicals in cigarettes can increase the thickening of the blood inside the arteries and veins and lead to increased cholesterol levels. Also, people who smoke have higher LDL levels, so most of their the plaque is building up along the arteries and not being taken. Most of the cholesterol is not being taken back to the liver, which helps get rid of any excess or recycle any excess cholesterol that is found in the body. Okay, so now let's talk about supplements. Most supplementation that has been on trial has not produced the same magnitude of risk reduction observed with consuming a high-quality diet. Therefore, you should focus your efforts on promoting overall better eating habits with supplementation as a supportive strategy to the dietary changes, but not instead of them. Also, nutrients from high-dose supplements likely have different effects than those that come directly from dietary sources, where these vitamins and minerals come together with their beneficial nutrients and bioactive compounds inside the food sources that have their benefits on heart health. So you want to consume foods that will improve your heart state. You may also take supplements, but the best way, first of all, is by changing your diet, improving your dietary habits. With that said, certain supplements can support dietary change to a high-fiber plant-based diet and speed up the healing process. So vitamins and minerals include deficiencies, mainly in zinc, selenium, magnesium, vitamin C, and D, lead to higher heart disease risk. Therefore, levels of these vitamins should be checked and regularly supplemented when necessary. So I'll say that again. These are nutrients: zinc, selenium, magnesium, vitamins C and D. If you are low on these vitamins, you may supplement with them. Also, lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid found in red-colored fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, watermelons, papaya. Lycopene has many health benefits, and studies show that it may reduce plaque buildup risk, also reducing inflammatory mediators and platelet aggregation and LDL oxidation, and help prevent endothelial dysfunction. So lycopene, tomatoes, and very red fruits and vegetables are very important for you to consume if you have any issues with your heart. You can get enough lycopene not only by consuming raw tomatoes, but you can also consume tomato paste and tomato sauce on your pastas if they're whole grain. Also, polyphenols, dietary antioxidants, are found in fruits, especially berries. I recommend consuming these. Also, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, green tea, and chocolate have a wide variety of health benefits in preventing heart disease. Polyphenols help delay the progression of atherosclerosis thanks to their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune modulating effects. I recommend consuming a diet rich in polyphenols regularly. Just add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. Make sure that most of your meals have at least 30% are made up of vegetables and fruits between meals. However, if you cannot do this momentarily, you may supplement with a broad spectrum food-based polyphenol supplement. You can find these on Amazon. So to conclude, to maintain a healthy heart, dietary adjustment is the most important way to improve your heart health. Consume a whole food, primarily plant-based diet, rich in polyphenols and high in fiber, as I mentioned. You can also support your healthy diet with supplements, especially ones that you see that you may be deficient in, for quicker healing and to support the change to a healthier diet faster. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel for more information like this, and visit my website, theguerrilladiet.com, to help you lose weight and achieve all of your health goals in the best possible way. Thank you very much for joining.